So it comes in this little fancy box. I have the AT&T version model. LG. Pop it off like this. Boom. Got this battery, since you can take off the battery and take it apart from the phone. Got that showing off. Like I said, I got the AT&T model. It can wait. Blah blah blah. Let's see. Like I said, the AT&T model. We got some manuals. How to take the phone apart. Yada yada. Cables. I believe this is the IMUI charger, and I think this is USB-C. See if this can focus. USB-C, yup, USB-C, and then SIM adapter. Focus. There we go. I think that's it. That's it. That comes in the box. Yup. Alright, put that stuff away. Let's see if it has, stick it out of the wrapper. Clean. Very nice. Let me just push the camera back. AT&T logo, LG logo. Okay, we got a lot of stickers. How do you turn it on? Oh, the back. Oh, my bad. Vibration. Pull this off. Android booting up. I'm tempted to take this off. It's kind of lightweight. Nice feel in the hand. We got more stickers right here to take off. Can even take them off. Android is starting. 3 of 26. Boom, boom. More stickers. You know, I think LG is the only one that puts a lot of stickers on their products. They did the same thing with their LG watch. Let's see. Focus, focus. There we go. Android starting. LED indicator. Front facing camera. We have no power buttons on the side. Got the SIM adapter right there. Volume locker right here. 3.5mm headset jack. IR blaster, I believe. Fingerprint sensor. Camera, dual tone flash. And I think that's pretty much about it. USB-C. Speaker. Let's see how you pull this out. I do not know how to pull this out. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Boom. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, I pulled down when I was booting up too, actually. Haha. So yeah, that's how you pull it out. Push that button. Not that hard. Pretty easy. It was a battery slot. Put it back in. Boom. Very easy to connect it, actually. To put it together. So yeah, that's gonna be what it looks like. Really lightweight, actually. It's nice screen size. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a review on it. It should be like 2-3 weeks, I believe, and then I have the review ready for you guys. Welcome. All that good stuff. 28% battery. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.